This will be the elevator here at the Best Western in Fort Wayne, Indiana.
How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic.
Good. Same.
The spray.
Nice to get those off, huh?
I mean, because we got cleaning spray,
Yeah.
and the way it works with the glove, when it gets on the glove, it sticks to everything.
Jeez. Have a good day.
Are you a ring? No. I think this is an Abell. Yeah, this is definitely an Abell. Here's a 3-button now. That's cracked. Look at you work. Hi. Actually, this is a pretty nice elevator for Best Western. There's a 988 phone. There's best speed to counter sensors. Nice hotel. Jeez. Wonderful. There's a floor indicator up there. So good to get. Adams Square. Adams would have to go. The beeping sound though is annoying. It's a really weird elevator. There goes the elevator. With a bang. And I guess that is going to be it for me.